watching this video, let's see what is the difference after installing the 18mm wheel spacers on your Tesla Model Y. Let's go! The wheel spacers can be seen as an extension of the hub assembly. The mounting surface is closer to the inside of the wheel, while the back spacing value is reduced with the wheel spacers installed. When we want to keep the stock wheels and extend the wheels outward for more grip and stability on the road, wheel spacers can be capable of this. The special design of this bonus FT cooling wheel spacer is the petal-shaped grooves on the back. Because the rotation of the spacer makes the external cold airflow efficiency uncontinuously inside the spacer. While cold air flowing, the heat of the braking system is taken away, thereby achieving the effect of FT cooling, improving braking efficiency and reducing overheating of brakes. This technique maintains the brakes at normal temperature to ensure wheel spacers safety and driving security. As a professional spacer designer and manufacturer, Bonus relies on years of experience and hard work to create the world's first FT cooling technique. If you have any question about the wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.